Good evening, everyone. How many of you have cracked open a walnut and pondered what this small nut could do for you? So, today we're going to look at 10 surprising ways walnuts can improve your health. Whether you're 50, 60, or even 70 years old, walnuts have a plethora of benefits that may surprise you. So let's count down from 10 to see why this modest nut should be your new best friend. Scientific studies into walnuts. Now I want to get into some fascinating science for a moment. Did you know that walnuts have been the focus of numerous research due to their outstanding health benefits? The Harvard School of Public Health released a particularly interesting study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. This study tracked over 200,000 people for up to 20 years to investigate the impact of frequent nut eating, specifically walnuts, on general health. What they discovered was absolutely astonishing. People who ate at least 5 handfuls of nuts every week had a 25% lower chance of dying from heart disease. Compared to individuals who did not routinely consume nuts, walnuts, in particular, stood out due to their high quantities of omega-3 fatty acids, which aid in inflammation, reduction, and cardiovascular health. This study also found that regular walnut consumption was connected with a lower risk of diabetes, some malignancies, and neurological illnesses, such as Alzheimer's. These studies demonstrate how something as small as a walnut can have a significant influence in your long-term health. So snacking on walnuts is more than simply a nice treat. You are giving your body a scientifically proven boost in longevity and vigor. Isn't it amazing how a simple modification in our diet may result in such tremendous health benefits over time? 10 stronger bones for the long term. Starting with number 10, did you know that walnuts can help strengthen your bones? Yes. Walnuts are high in magnesium, an essential mineral for bone health. Bone density naturally decreases as we age, but eating walnuts can help fight this. So, the next time you reach for a snack, know that your bones will thank you. 9. Improve your memory and cognitive abilities. Walnuts, ranked 9th, are renowned as brain food for a reason. Have you ever noticed how they resemble small brains? That is not just a coincidence. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote cognitive function. If you're feeling a little forgetful, maybe it's time to let walnuts work their magic and keep that keen mind of yours running at full capacity. Say goodbye to harmful cholesterol at number 8. Let us talk about cholesterol. As we age, keeping a good cholesterol level becomes increasingly crucial. Walnuts are rich in unsaturated fats, the good kind. These aid to lower harmful cholesterol and keep your heart in tip-top health. Allow walnuts to work their way into your heart, literally and metaphorically. Number 7. Rejuvenate your skin. Who doesn't desire radiant, youthful skin? At number 7, walnuts are high in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals that cause premature aging. Consider walnuts as a natural anti-aging remedy. From the inside out, a few of these may keep your skin glowing and smooth. Forget pricey creams and walnuts, have your back. Number 6. Keep your waistline in check. Number 6 may come as a surprise. Walnuts can truly help you control your weight. They may be high in calories, but they are high in fiber and protein, which help you feel fuller for longer. So instead of grabbing for the sweet food, grab a few walnuts and enjoy a guilt-free snack that will keep cravings at bay. 5th. Boost your immune system. Moving on to number 5. Walnuts are a powerful immune system booster due to their high vitamin E content. Walnuts help protect your body from illness and inflammation, so if you want to stay healthy and active, they could be your new greatest defense. Number 4. Keep your heart happy and healthy. We're at number 4, so let's chat. Heart health. Many of us, over the age of 50, are concerned about cardiovascular disease. But, did you know that walnuts can help?